Hey guys, it is the 17th of December, and because that burg yesterday was a little boring, I think we should try this one and see if this is the same. It is the same type, number 554/40, but hopefully it is not gonna open as fast. We'll see. Not because I mind a quick opening, it's not that, but yesterday was a little too quick and boring. But sometimes that's what happens, and that's okay. Well, there it is. And now it dropped it. Let's just try pin 1 first. Okay, it didn't open just on pin 1. But it definitely have gotten a beating, this one. I think I just got a slight click there. Oh, there we go. It opened on pin 2. So that was a nice open. Now, I'm not sure if we are going to open it, so I'm not going to close the shackle, but we can still pick it. And I actually want to do this. I think I can maybe keep down all of the squeaking from the table better, keeping it in here. Alright. L-rake. I still don't know what that is. S-rake, half diamond, and worm rake. Pick gun. Alright. Worm rake. There we go. It does work with the worm rake. What about the S-rig then? Sorry. Well, if you continue long enough, I guess you can. But not as quickly. And there we go. L-rake works beautifully. This thing, for some reason, I'm almost at a point where I want to call it a toothbrush. I don't know why. And there we go. And sipping. Oh, actually I think sipping is a little easier in hand. Mostly because of the angle I can hold it in. Oh, it came there on the last one. Pick gun. Oh, got a turn. Got stuck. Ah, that was the tensioner. Give it a try again. And that's still the tensioner. So that, I think it's possible if you can get the tensioner to stay. But still, we raked it and rocked it twice, and SPP'd it, of course. So yeah, On the tree it goes, on the tree it goes. The other one is down there, so we are gonna put it all the way over there. Come on. There you go. 17 logs on the tree. We are almost full. Right. Hope you enjoyed this one a bit more than yesterday. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.